What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to We'll Fix It Team. So, I did a video earlier of fixing a service engine, well, not service, but an oil light was coming on. Oil sending unit light, where oil sending unit was bad, causing it to show low oil pressure. But that wasn't the problem. It had oil pressure, but the sending unit was bad, so we replaced that. Now, the guy brought it for several things, and I want to show you what I found. The next thing was this airbag light was on the dash, indicating airbag. And what I had found was, and it was a funny little code, I'm walking around the shop because I wrote it down. I fixed it. I wanted to fix it first before I did the video to see if I was actually going to be on point, because it's weird. Airbag stuff is wonky. But I had two codes. I had a B0081-71 and a B0083-0F. 0F was the one I was concerned about. That is the left side, actually, which turned out to be the driver's side, excuse me. And it was the impact sensor, or impact sensor. If you hit something on this front, it's gonna set it off. And I can show you where it's at real quick here. This is what it looks like right here. This is one of the sensors and there's two of them on the front of this thing. Up underneath here, if you're now just to let you know, the back of the vehicle is the front is here. I'm right here. So we're looking at the radiator support. You've got the radiator fans, and this is the passenger side. This is the driver's side, and that the 0F code was the one that was showing for this here. And it also said it had something wrong with the seat sensor, but I think that they were kind of it made the computer just not work right, trying to read something. So, and I replaced that, and I didn't even have to clear the code, which I ended up double checking to make sure it went out. But that was the easy repair for our airbag light. It was, that was really nice. Let me flip the. More often than not, you'll find that the little thing that goes behind the steering wheel, that holds all the steering wheel connections and horn and all that can go bad. But in this case, it was the sensor underneath the vehicle for the impact sensor, and that was an easy fix. So yeah, something to do if you're working on and this would go for the Suburbans, the Chevrolet trucks, probably a lot of the GM stuff. Those codes are all universal. So that was an easy fix, guys. So if you're having an airbag light on your GM product, and you're getting codes B0081-71 and B0083-0F, that is how I fixed it. So thank you for tuning in to We'll Fix It Team. A quick tip on airbag stuff. All right, I'm out. Peace out.